back to Mel Goodness. Thank you so much, Sard's Mercy, for making delicious to my channel. And thank you also, Melay Valencia, for watching my channel. Okay, today we will be cooking Pininyahang Manok Level Up. Please watch our video all the way to the end because we have this one mystery ingredient that we will not include in the list, but of course it makes our dish more delicious. So please watch until the end, and thank you so much to all of the subscribers. Take care and enjoy watching. We will be needing the following ingredients for our Pininyahang Manok Level Up. We will be using cloves of garlic, 1 piece of onion, pineapple chunks, carnation evap, salt and pepper, okay. We'll be using iodized salt, one kilo of sliced chicken, and we will be needing some oil and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, we will dice our 1 tablespoon cloves of garlic. Next, we will cut our onion. Okay, we will slice our onion into cubes too. Now we will heat our pan and put in oil. saute our garlic. Okay, next is our onion. Then we will put in our chicken. And we will cook it on low heat for like 30 minutes. We'll cover it. And while waiting for our chicken to be cooked, one of our mystery ingredient is bell pepper. So we will gonna slice it and cut it into cubes. The seed and the hard part on the inside of the bell pepper. Okay, now we will cut our bell pepper. Now, in a separate pan, we will fry our bell pepper. Okay, when it's already fried, we will set it aside. Now that it's already 25 to 30 minutes, we will put in our pineapple chunks. And we will add a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of pepper, okay, and we will bring it to boil for like 5 minutes. Okay, now that it's already 5 minutes, we will mix our Pininyahang Manok. We will put in our milk. I'm gonna use like 3/4 cups of milk to it. And our mystery ingredient is our heavy cream. We will put in like a cup of heavy cream to it. And we will put in our fish sauce. And of course our bell pepper. This one to boil again for like 2 minutes. Now we will taste our Pininyahang Manok. Okay, we did mix it. It's delicious. Okay, we will just let it cool a little and then we will transfer it in the container. Here's our taste test. Lian will taste the Pininyahang Manok or pineapple chicken.
Chicken first. Okay. I like the chicken. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. It's just perfect. And the taste, it's just right. It's not too sweet, not too bland. Perfect.
Thank you.
And then
like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and the piña. Please like, share, and subscribe to